Good morning, everyone. Welcome to a new day. It is freaking freezing today. It's like, I'm gonna say like 0 degrees in the shade. But sun's out. Sun's gonna be nice and warm. I reckon she's gonna be a good one for a rip. We're heading out to a new zone that I haven't really ridden much. So I'm gonna meet up with Owen. It's gonna be a cold ride. Keep those hands warm. But let's crack on. Let's have some fun. See you on the trail. Ah, oh, look how good today is. Look at that sun. So happy to see it. It's gonna be a good day. Too short. You know what? I think unloading is. Oh shit. Whoa. I did that the other day. Owen parked in the sun, so now I'm freaking cold. Oh, my feet's so cold. Oh, Billy Bolt! Billy Bolt! What a show off! I feel like I don't know how to ride a bike right now. Woo! Let's see how this new tire goes. That was a nice little jump. I'm not gonna ride the track though. Nice. I'm not game enough to do that yet. Holy shit, look at the size of that bird! Look at that eagle, man! Oh my god! Holy crap! I don't want to get shit on. Dude, how crazy is that?
And look at the eagle just chilling with the eagle. I really feel like I'm being watched right now.
Oh yeah. Nice, Owen. Now I gotta try and keep up with a pro mountain biker going downhill on a dirt bike. Oh, I went the wrong way. Yeah, that's not gonna happen. I ain't gonna keep up with him. He even rips on a dirt bike. That's out of my skill level. Oh, that was clean. Nice spud. Woo! That was cool. Wow. That was sick. That was sick. Wow, that new tire is insane, you guys. There's no way I would have done that on the Dunlop. There's no way I would have done that on the Dunlop. And now I'm stuck. Whoa, this tire is insane, dude. I like going down that stuff. I think I'm pretty good going down. Whoa. Man, I don't know how these guys do this. Woo! Woo!
There's jumps everywhere.
Yeah, you guys are fast. Holy.
Maybe you gotta
Dude, that was crazy! I can't believe I made that. Oh, my nuts! I don't know how I didn't fall on that. I've tried one of these climbs, but they are kind of sketch for me. These boys probably walk up them. Let's see what Owen can do here. Come on, buddy, you got it, you got it, you got it. Oh. Nice. Oh. Let's go down this big guy. Oh baby, this is so steep. Yeah, I didn't make it very far. I don't know how I kept that just then. That was so sketch. Dude, that's crazy. Oh. God damn it. That's hard. Oh. Nice. Either they're just cruising, or I'm actually keeping up. Whoa! I can't see a thing. That's sun. Alright, now they're pulling away. I think I need to change my front gearing. Third is, I need to be going too fast for third for my liking. For its second, I feel like I'm going too fast for a second most of the time. So I think I might need to change the front sprocket. Get a nice in between. I think that's what I need to do. I think that would be better. What are you guys running on the front? I'm just running the stock still. So I think that's a 13. And I have a 50 on the back. But I don't know, leave it in the comments. Let me know what gearing you guys are riding, what you prefer, what you think's better, why you like about it. Maybe I'll change up. Anyway, I think that's going to be the end of our little ride here today. It's been pretty fun, pretty chill. I'm not much of a hill climb guy, so it was some time spent watching Owen and Remy here, which is crazy because they're very good. Watching those hill climbs it's so much bigger in person than probably what you will see. And yeah, maybe I'll come out here more. Maybe I'll learn how to do some hill climbs. But in the meantime, have fun, stay safe, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, you know the drill. See you later, folks.